Dual Blend Number 9 Neutral Disinfectant Cleaner 256 is a highly effective one-step disinfectant cleaner deodorant. This highly concentrated product, diluted exclusively through the NCL Dual Blend Chemical Management System, produces 643 gallons of solution per concentrated case. This broad-spectrum disinfectant carries an extensive list of label kill claims to ensure the continued health and safety of students, staff, and visitors. Effectively clean and disinfect floors and other hard, non-porous surfaces in healthcare, educational, food processing, retail, and hospitality facilities.